In a survival situation, collecting clean water is critical, and nature can often lend a hand. Let's focus on creating a natural rain catchment system using available resources. First, find an area with dense foliage and large leaves, like banana or palm leaves. Position these leaves on an incline, forming a funnel shape, so that rainwater naturally trickles down into a collection container or directly into a vessel cut from bamboo or a similar material. During heavy rainfalls, this setup can provide significant amounts of water quickly while minimizing exposure to contaminants. This efficient method not only quenches thirst but also exemplifies resourcefulness in using the environment to meet basic needs.